Max the dog was exploring the cold, snowy woods where every sound echoed and every step crunched. Suddenly, Max heard a faint cry. Someone was trapped beneath the snow. It was a lost bear cub, cold and scared. Max carefully dug until the cub was free and safe. The cub's mother arrived. At first she was alarmed, then but soon a blizzard blew in. Max was lost, cold, and could barely see. Just when hope was fading, the mother bear returned. She led Max to a because in nature, a helping paw is never forgotten.